Hello everyone. So learn Java with Pooja. It's a complete Java course from scratch. I'm doing this video because it's also a revision to me. So what is Java? Java is nothing but it's just a programming language which was developed in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Initially it was named as Oak and then later converted into Java. Then it was later named as Java because the word Java is a nickname of coffee. It is derived from coffee. So what is the use of Java? Java, it's a programming language where we can use it in building web application, desktop application, mobile applications, for gaming, for multi-processing, multi-thread transactions. What makes Java the most popular language among the programming languages is there are three things. One is it is open source, like anyone can contribute. Anyone can write the code snippet and they can give it to the Java team, and that can be used by our entire world. So anyone can contribute. And it is second thing is it is freely downloadable. We can download it without paying a single penny. It's freely downloadable. We don't need to pay any amount for any kind of payment for anything for a license version or anything. It is completely free. The third thing is it's platform independent. It's widely popularly known as Vora, write once, run anywhere. Like we just need to write the code. We don't need to write the code for different platform. We can write the code on Windows and run on any other operating system like Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi X, any other operating system. It is fast, powerful, secure. Java programs can do many things at the same time using multiple threads. It's an object-oriented language with clear structure where it allows reuse of code. Like we have heard about the concept of overloading and overriding. So we just write the code once and we use multiple place. So that's one of the beauty of object-oriented programming language. So Java is built on object-oriented programming language. This is one of the important thing, that is Java uses just-in-time compiler, JIT. So it improves performance by converting the bytecode into machine readable code at the time of execution. Like we don't need to write multiple codes for different operating system. That is because of JIT compiler. So it can drive, we just need to write, and that converts the bytecode into machine readable code. So it's a easy installation. So first we have to check whether already we have the Java installed in our system. That we can do by opening the command prompt and typing java-version. So if there is a Java that exists, it's already been existing in the system, it's already installed, we get to see the Java with the version and all the Java runtime environment and the Java hotspot. These three things we are able to see, as we can download the Java from the Java website, official website. I'll provide the link. And once we download, we click on Windows and we set up once the JDK is downloaded, we set up the environmental variables. I'll let you know how in the next slide. For writing program, we can download an IDE, Eclipse. The most popular used IDE for Java programming is Eclipse. We can also use Visual Studio and other kind of editors. So also we can use the online editor, that is W3 School. This is one of the popular website where we can learn Java course from scratch. It is one of the best website. So setting up the environmental variables in after downloading the JDK, first we have to click on the Windows, then go to the system variables, then click on environmental variables. So edit system environmental variables. So click on environmental variables and here we can see path where we have to add the downloaded Java JDK path. So that's what it is shown here. So we can click on path, we can click on edit, and then we can add the add a new and then add the JDK path and then click on OK and apply. So first Java program. So this is the first Java program where we write like class first program, public static void main, string args, system dot just we are just printing this is my first program. And this is the console output first program. So what is public? Why do we use the method as public? Because it's this method should be accessible throughout the project or throughout the thing. The JVM should be able to identify, it should be accessible outside the class. That's why we call the method as public. Why do we call it as static? Because whenever the JVM calls the main method, it calls without creating the object. So if you want to call a method without creating the object, the method should be static. Why do we call it as void? Because the main method doesn't return. We don't have any return type for this main method. So that's why it's called as void. Void is the return type. We don't have any return type. And it is called, why do we call the method as main? Because it's a starting point of the program where JVM specifically looks for the method named as main to start the execution. And why do we use the string args? It's the Java program. It's the standard syntax of the Java program to receive input from the command line when it starts execution. So I'll just execute so this is the first Java program. And we click on just run. We should be able to see the output, my first program. Thank you all.